Welcome back to my channel, and for the new viewers, what's up? So today is a first video that I've done in such a long time. I know you guys haven't seen me in forever, but I'm back. Okay, I'm back and I'm doing this awesome fall eyeshadow look. And the two palettes that I actually use is my favorite palettes. Honestly, it's like one of my favorite, actually both of my favorite palettes. They're from Juvias place. Yeah, this one is the Nubian 2 or the Nubian 2 palette, and this one is the modern, or no, this one is the Masquerade mini palette. So I used both of these palettes combined and it created this awesome look. It's very easy, very simple. Anyone can definitely do this look. If you do love this video, please don't forget to go ahead and give it a good old nasty old fat old thumbs up, and also make sure you comment down below if you have any questions on how I actually achieved this look. And then also make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Just if you do want to see exactly how I got this awesome look, go ahead and stay tuned. It's super simple, super easy. Alright guys? Bye. Okay guys, so I'm actually going to start with my eyeshadow as I did my brows off camera. So if you guys do want to see exactly how I got my brows done, go ahead and look at the link above, and yeah, I'll leave a link there for you. So to start off my lids, as you can see, my lids are a little bit darker than the color that I want to do for this fall look. So what I'm going to use is the NYX Primer, and this is the NYX Pigment Primer Base Pigment, yeah. So it looks just like this. Yeah, so I'm going to start with this. I'm going to put this actually on my lids to prime my lids. And then I'm going to also put a concealer on top of that just to brighten it up a little bit. And then to set the concealer, I'm going to use the Sasha Buttercup setting powder, which is this right here. Or you can use any type of setting powder. So, yeah. In my crease, I'm going to use the Juvias Place Masquerade mini palette, which is this palette right here. This is like actually one of my favorite palettes. I'm going to use this color right here, and I'm going to place this in my crease, and then on top of that I'm going to use that color as well, and you'll see exactly how it goes. That color, and now I'm going to go in with Zulu, which is this shade right here. I'm going to go ahead and put that on top of the crease, and then we'll see. Alright, so now I'm actually going to go into the Juvias Place Nubian 2 palette, which is this palette right here, and I'm going to use this shade up here, which is Morocco. This nice like orange shade. I'm going to use that. I'm going to place it all on top of my lids from like here to about here. So maybe like 2/3 of the lid, and then the outer section I'm going to put like a darker, deeper color just to deepen the outside. So that is done, and now for the outer section of my eyes, just to kind of deep it up a little bit, I'm going to go back into the Masquerade mini palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here. I'm going to use that dark brown shade and then put it on the outside just to deepen it up a little bit. And if that works, then that will be it. If it doesn't and I want it a little bit deeper, I might go back to the Nubian 2 palette and try this shade here, which is Kenya. So it's either or. So we're gonna first try the Fumi color, and then we'll see the next one. Alright, so that didn't work. So like I said, I'm gonna go in and use Kenya just to go ahead and deepen the outside. So it's this color here, and it's in the Nubian 2 palette. So I'm gonna use that instead, and we're gonna see how that goes, okay? the color and the shade and everything that I like. Now I'm going to line the my lids. I'm going to be using this liquid liner. This liner I think I actually got from just like a local beauty supply store. I'm not really sure even how I got this, but I really love the fine point on there. Like, the fine point is amazing. Like, this gives you so much control, and it is such a good tool to use and actually get like a really nice clean like wing liner. So I love this thing, love it. Alright, so I did the liner. As you can see, it looks pretty good, right? Next I'm going to actually add my lashes, and I got these lashes from Elfin Wigs. I would actually leave the link to the wigs, whatever, down below, or actually I might put it up here or something like that for you guys. But I got a wig from there, a unit from there, and I did a video on it. I would actually post up that video soon. And basically whenever you get a unit, they give you these awesome lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these lashes on today. It's gonna be the first time actually trying on the lashes, and then we'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these bad boys on. Alright, so I put the lashes on, and as you can see, they actually look really, really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then we're just going to I'll show you the finished look pretty much, and that's it. Yeah.